Hindi pa nadala yung sasakyan dito, guys. Diba last time sabi ko na nandito na yung update nila sa website. Nandito na daw sa Queensland. But now, tinawagan, sinabi na dalawang properties yung nag-cancel na inspection nila today. So, dapat sana may inspection kami ng 12 tapos 2 o'clock. Buti na lang, hindi kami nakasakay ng Uber pa. Na-check ko yung email ko. Sabi nila, narentahan na daw. So, it's getting really hard here, guys. Yung paghahanap ng property. It's massive, isn't it? Similar to Melbourne.
I'll join you.
Paris!
Oh
my God!
Going up. The city of Brisbane, which is Australia's third largest.
Wow, Paris!
2.2 million people. The Channel 7 wheel of Brisbane is one of the largest wheels in the southern hemisphere, standing 60 metres tall.
Excited?
Holland. This wheel weighs over 335 tons.
Wow!
Two individual
Morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. It is currently 11:20 ng umaga and we're getting ready kasi meron na naman tayong i-inspect na bahay today at 12 o'clock. And sabi sa Google Maps na ano daw 14 minutes from here. So, okay lang. Meron pa tayong Daddy Mike is getting ready as well. Ang ating baby si Rin ay nandito kasi nilakad-lakad ni Daddy Mike kanina habang nag-shower kami ni Ate Paris. Eh, she's moving. Let's see if she's right. Huh? Someone is Hi, princess. I thought you were sleeping. Huh? Oh, gosh. Big girl. Stretching. Say good morning, baby Celine. Ang aga nitong nagising kanina, guys. Maaga kasi natulog kagabi.
Abay, balik ka doon!
Nilakad ni daddy niya. Did you like your walk nap? Uy! Did you like your walk nap? Yes, the possum. Paris has been waiting for the possum since last night. Dito kami kumain ng dinner sa labas.
But I was too scared.
You were too scared?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Fair enough. Sabi kasi ng may-ari, guys, meron daw kunong possum dito. Wala man. And it rained last night a little bit. Basta itong ating hamot. Duyan pa more. Ay, it's alright. Nako, I thought it's wet na. It's not wet.
And I just cuddled mommy and like.
Hmm? Oh, careful. You cuddle mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love your cuddles. I love your cuddles. I love your cuddles too. I love your cuddles too. So, this afternoon as well, guys, 5 o'clock, meron din kaming inspection sa kabilang, kabilang side ng river, I think. And, alam nyo ba, sobrang ang tawag dito, gastos, guys. Sobrang gastos kasi we are using Uber all the time. So, every time, $20, $25, ganito, ganyan, back and forth. Kasi wala pa yung sasakyan natin. So, today is, the date is, 12th of January, and yung natin dapat, yung sasakyan natin ay ETA nila before, diba? 10th of January. So, 2 days ago. So, as the removalist, yung ating mga damit, yung ating mga kagamitan. But then, yung removalist, sabi nila, na-delay, I think, as expected, guys, kasi nga sa sitwasyon ngayon, diba? Na-delay, and instead of the 10th of January, sabi nila, ngayong Friday daw darating. So, we'll see how that goes. But, alam niyo ba, ang ating sasakyan, Daddy was very frustrated. Careful, anak, kasi maitip na ka. Daddy was very frustrated, guys, kasi tinawagan ni Daddy Mike, and guess what? Sabi nila, na hindi pa daw nag-move, na stuck daw sa Melbourne ng ating sasakyan. Oh my goodness. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, oh my God, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Kasi nga daw, wala daw mga driver ngayon dahil sa COVID. So, hindi pa nadala yung sasakyan dito guys. Diba last time sabi ko na nandito na yung update nila sa website. Nandito na daw sa Queensland. But now, tinawagan, sinabi na nandun pa daw sa Melbourne. Kasi hindi daw madala-dala dito kasi wala pa daw ang driver. So that just means that, yeah, we have to keep doing the Uber or now, we might have to rent a car.
And you can get ask me twice. And you can
So,
get
yeah, we might, rent a car or I'll see yung Tito Edgar kung I'll ask him kung meron siyang extra sasakyan na borrow namin hanggang sa dumating yung ating sasakyan dito kasi it's too expensive guys yung Uber. And sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, siguro naman i-compensate tayo ng kumpanya niyan yung transport services, 'di ba? Kasi now, like every day na wala yung sasakyan dito, sobrang taas ng gastos namin dahil sa transport ba. So, anyway, sabi ni Daddy Mike, I think we have to read the terms and conditions kasi yung mga kumpanya na mga ganyan, I think they have their bum covered, you know? Like, sinasabi nila na hindi nila hawak yung delay, madidelay talaga, normal na normal yan, yung ganyan. But, what can we do, right? Wala kaming magagawa. So, we'll just do what we can do. No. We'll just have to keep catching Uber, anak. Can you see yourself, na? It was very annoying lang, guys. Kasi, yun bang nag-expect ka na darating soon. Tapos, wala pala. Hindi pa pala nag-move yung ating car, no? Our car is still in Melbourne. What can you say about that?
Which car?
Our black car is supposed to be here, but then there's a delay, so it's still in Melbourne. What can you say?
Like the one, like the sunroof one? Yes
Mm-hmm.
or no?
Yeah, the black one. Oh my god, I just received a text message. Basa ba guys? Hindi. Hi Joey, with the inspection for 87 Cambridge Street at 12 p.m. Wednesday. It's got cancelled. What the hell? Daddy! I just got a text message, Bob. I think they cancelled it. Have a look if that's the right one. I think that's the one. Yeah, got cancelled.
Okay.
Dad, just here to press them.
Wow. What are we gonna do?
What's the next one?
Daddy, I
think
hear the
it's,
press them. I hear the press them, Daddy.
The next
Biggie?
one.
In the morning.
Was he snoring?
No.
Oh, I think there's one in...
Daddy, Daddy was saying
Still.
hello, Paris.
Oh yeah, this one. What time did we book in this one for?
He says hello, Paris, hello, Paris.
Oh, one. Oh no, this is Friday.
Huh?
Did I get thing for that one?
A few moments later.
Tingnan nyo. May kinakausap. Imaginary friend. We're in New Farm. Nag-Uber kami papunta dito guys. Alam nyo ba? Dalawang properties yung nag-cancel na inspection nila today. So, dapat sana may inspection kami ng 12 tapos 2 o'clock. Buti na lang hindi kami nakasakay ng Uber pa. Na-check ko yung email ko. Sabi nila, narentahan na daw. So, it's getting really hard here guys. Yung paghahanap ng property. Kasi, mostly yung mga tao parang, kasi marami na naghahanap ng property dito. So, hindi na sila parang hindi sila nag-i-inspect. Nag-a-apply na lang sila kaagad pa. So, yun yung sabi namin ni Daddy Mike. Maybe we will have to do that as well. Yung hindi na mag-inspect. Pag nakita namin yung picture online, we'll just put our application through. Huh? There? Okay. So, yung gagawin namin ngayon, we'll go to a real estate agent, yung opisina nila, tapos sabihan namin sila ganito, ano na lang kami, if there's anything na coming na ano suitable sa amin, then we're happy to pay, you know, like 2 months in front na rent or even 3 months para lang makakuha kami ng property, guys. Kasi oh my god, sobrang daming ano naghahanap ng properties din dito. It's really true nga, lahat na lang nagmumove na dito sa Filipina. Nagkakaubusan na ng property, guys. So we'll go up there daw, sabi ni Daddy. Our baby girl sleeping. Madilim ba, guys? Paiyak-iyakin siya kanina, nainitan ba? Kahit ako nga, guys, nainitan ako. Grabe. Ibang-iba talaga sa Melbourne. Meron mamaya, 5 o'clock isa sa morning side. But I'm not sure din. Baka I'll keep an eye on my email kasi baka mag-email din sila na na-cancel na kasi may nakarenta na. So, this would be really, really interesting, guys. I'm hoping we can find something soon. I know, you're so quick. That's where we're going, guys. Living here. Ito daw sila, nag-specialize sila ng yung rentals dito sa lugar na to. We really love this area.
Come, Princess.
New farm, Paris. Can we go in there, Bobby, with this pram? Oh. Oh. Hala. Oh. Are they open, Daddy?
Mommy, silly, you have
my
to open the door. Now I have to open the door. Always have to open the door.
We have to check in. It's living here. Dito kami sa park. Dito kami nung nag-holiday kami dito last year, March. Dito kami sa park na to. So, Paris was very young. Oh, not very young. Well, a year younger.
I'm super excited.
You were super excited? Sabi niya, guys, I remember this one. The one that, you know, there's looks like a house. So she's really got a good memory, guys. Hindi pa nga niya nakita yung park. She's so disappointed already. Do you remember now?
Yes,
What did you do when you came here last time?
I played here with Daddy, and I hide from Daddy in trees.
Oh, Daddy. So she said like she played with you and she hid from you.
and I went to the tree.
Is that Corella?
She went to the tree. She's really got a very good memory.
Where's the Daddy? Where's it?
And now,
No, that's
There.
not.
there, airplane.
No, it's not Daddy.
Is that Corella?
No, it's not.
See, 1 year later, dalawa na silang bit-bit na. Celine Ray! Bumalik kami dito sa aming bahay. Kasi kailangan namin mag-charge, guys. So, ngayon, pupuntahan namin yung isa pang lugar. I don't know if they've canceled it yet. But so far, wala naman ako natanggap na message. So, we'll go 5 o'clock daw yung doon. It's 10 minutes from here. Binihisan ko to siya. Ngayon nyo, oh. Kaya alam nyo, guys, pawis na pawis. No. You're used to Melbourne weather. There's no sweat. Kahit si Daddy Mike. Oh, saan na si Daddy Mike? Kailangan niyang mag-change ng kanyang shirt. How is my baby Celine? Are you good? Do you love sitting? Do you love sitting up?
Come on.
Go get her. I'm just gonna go to her. Then Daddy Mike nag-change outfit.
No, because it was stain.
No, sweating. I'm saying.
Oh. Here you go. Okay.
Alright.
A few moments later.
So we just finished our inspection, guys. Dito kami ngayon. Tingnan nyo. Gusto ni Daddy sumakay pa. Kita kay Ate Paris. Paris, wait for Mama na. Diyan. Sabi ni Paris, nakasakay na daw yan siya diyan when she was a baby. Baka. But hindi pa naman. It's massive, isn't it? Similar to Melbourne. So yan yung Channel 7 na balita. Yan yung palaging pinapakita. So dyan ang ABC building. Oh, lovely. We'll just buy a ticket. See how much. Adults, $21. Paris will be free, Daddy.
Yeah, so,
Oh, cool.
let's check in first.
Shoes na. Tingnan niyo ang shoes na.
Kaya ba?
Let's see the treasure map.
Ha?
Let's see the treasure.
Treasure map.
Treasure map?
6 o'clock, people. Nakabili na kami ng ticket doon sa wheel.
The way for album.
Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, there's a shop.
$21 each.
Look, Daddy.
Pero nagutom si mami niyo, guys. Alam niyo,
Yeah, okay.
kakalakad namin today. I feel so hungry ba? Kaya sabi ko, kain muna kami. Kaya si Daddy Mike gusto niyang doon sa whale while mag-sunset daw. I don't think it's gonna happen now kasi lulutuin pa yung order kami. Gusto kong kumain muna, guys. Number 26. What's this one, Bobby? Thai or
Not
mixed?
really. They're Thai, but it's mixed.
We just ordered food for dinner. As in, gutom na gutom talaga ako, guys. Like, very, very hungry. After here, then we have to walk back. Thank you.
Yeah, apple juice.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Mikey, how?
What is it?
The treasure map.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh,
The Will
huh?
of Brisbane.
And you have to go by
The Will of Brisbane to walk from here to
or
our
to the
address
go all the way there. Wobble, wobble,
is
wobble.
oh no.
My
I got
first
excited. I
one
thought it was
goes
7-minute walk.
over here. We're at the same
Is it in the
here.
car?
What's this one? Ride service.
Yes, Paris is food. Hindi naman niya kinakain yung may sauce. Nibigyan ko yan siya ng clean.
Natalie?
Ha? How far?
Must
I thought that's why you're checking.
I'm
Hey,
applying.
Paris! Ate! One more.
One more finish.
Yeah.
No, I'm applying.
Good girl. Studies. And here's mine. Ano ba to? Mongolian. And rice. We're back here. It is getting late now, guys.
Hurry, Baba.
Where are you going, Daddy?
1, 2, 3 or 4 more riders. 4 or more. It's 4.
Huh?
4. Kidding yourself?
Yeah, we're just waiting. Get
How's
to.
it fun? Carry me.
Yeah. Hindi namin ito nagawa in Melbourne ba? We didn't do it in Melbourne, Daddy.
Because it's crap.
Don't say that, Daddy. Paris!
Going
The city of Brisbane, which is Australia's third largest.
Wow, Paris!
2.2 million people.
Like apple
The Channel 7 wheel of Brisbane is one of the largest wheels in the southern hemisphere, standing
There we go.
60 metres tall.
excited?
In Holland, this wheel weighs over 335 tons.
Wow.
Two individual air-conditioned gondolas and is a spectacular.
I think like the Melbourne is higher, yeah? I like bigger.
Over 80,000 LED.
Yeah, I think Melbourne is
While
bigger.
you're enjoying
Because
the
it was
view,
really
we'll
slow.
point out some of the famous city
Oh,
features.
That's fast.
This river is located over
Leaning.
in the town of King Roy.
We're walking back home now. This is the city view. Naglalakad lang kami kasi it's close lang naman. It looks very nice. However, at the Paris ay nandiyan ako nakaupo.
You like
And this one is sleeping now.
Let me feel. Can you feel it?
Sobrang dilim na guys.
Yeah, I can see it.
Finally, nakarating din kami dito sa itaas guys. Sobrang mabundok ba? Tingnan nyo ha ang puntahan namin.
Oi.
Daddy carried the pram. I carried Celine. And hinawakan ko si Paris. Tingnan nyo dun sa baba. Kasi doon kami naglakad-lakad sa baba ba? Diyan, tingnan nyo. Oh. That's going down. Tapos doon pa talaga. Doon pa talaga guys. So here's the view of the city up here. Kanina yung pinakita ko dun sa baba. Ayan. Anyways, so we'll go. How's your arm, Daddy?
Yeah, it's fine.
Sobrang heavy kaya nito guys. May isa pong nag-RTO. Iyan na namin yung vlog dito guys, how we are walking home now. It's only 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes away from home. And we're going to put the kids to bed kasi yan siyang payak-iyak. Ay sleepy na yan. Ito yung siya ay sleepy na. So we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.